Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BNGO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, if you're new to charts and not sure what I mean when I say 30-minute, I do offer a quick explanation video there. So go to that link and I'll explain in detail. Well, this one was another very, very crazy mover. Had a nasty, nasty gap down. But after the gap down, the price actually showed some good signs of strength, had a nice bounce, and overall did, consolidate higher than where it was. And I apologize. The chart's kind of hard to talk about. It's kind of hard to see because of the formatting, but that just is kind of the function of the fact that not that long ago it was all the way up at $4. Now the way it's all the way down here. So just based on the formatting, in fact, why don't I just do this? And it'll get a little bit goofy, but you'll be able to, so there we go. So really the main level going forward is right here at 98 cents. Why is 98 cents important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, and you got to give credit where credit's due, considering, the fact that the price did, hit a low down there and then ultimately was able to bounce all the way back up to that point. I mean, any rational person would say, yeah, this here was a very, very solid bounce. But the question becomes, okay, but is this the start of anything bigger, or is this just some sort of dead cat bounce, meaning the fake bounce? And I don't know, but by using 98 cents, that puts things in a perspective quite a bit. And I'm not saying this will happen, but the reason it puts things in perspective quite a bit is, let's say that the price were to come down to 98 and then just continue on down. Well, at that point in time, what would you have? Well, from a very literal perspective, you would have the price right back inside of that range that it broke out of. And not to insult anyone's intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. Whereas on the flip side of things, let's say that again, sure, the price came down here, but in this situation, the price once again behaved like that, so went sideways and then began to work its way upwards. Now all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have that low down there if you envision each of those as stair steps. Well, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction, and that's what truly strong moves are going to do over time. They're going to make progress forward. So in my mind, 98 cents going forward is a very revealing level in terms of whether or not the price is making progress, or if the price is just simply going right back to where it was, which would imply, today's nice bounce was just a dead cat bounce. As far as where the sellers are at, key level of resistance going forward going to be right up there at $1.15. So keep a close eye on that. After $1.15, next key level up there right around $1.27. So crazy movement today. Nice bounce though. The week is young, 4 days left. So now it's just a question of, can the price build upon this bounce going forward, build upon this momentum? Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.